Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Google on both devices and enabling Gemini access now. Once done, grant microphone, camera, and sync permissions so the session can exchange voice, video, and state. Then open a Gemini companion or shared session and invite your partner using the generated link or their email. This makes the session collaborative. Make sure to confirm both accounts are active and visible to each other before moving on. That prevents connection delays later. Now you configure the shared session. Pick chat, voice, or mixed mode and choose a privacy level that fits your needs. Next, upload the context you want Gemini to work with: documents, photos, or links, so both participants see the same references. This helps the model stay on topic. Then adjust model settings like response style, maximum length, and language preferences. These controls shape how Gemini replies to both of you, improving relevance and tone. Finish by running a short test interaction. Ask Gemini a simple question and confirm both participants see identical responses and the shared context. Once satisfied, save or export the session transcript and any generated drafts or files for later review. If something goes wrong, like missing audio or delayed replies, reauthorize microphone and camera permissions, check your network on both devices, and restart the shared session. That usually resolves sync or permission problems quickly, letting you continue without losing work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.